To learn about vitamins. So, first of all, what is the meaning of vitamins? So, vitamins are one type of organic molecules due to this molecule containing carbon atoms. The definition of vitamins, it is a low molecular weight organic compounds that are known as vitamins. These molecules are low molecular weight. These molecules containing low molecular weight, and at the same time these are organic compounds. Low molecular weight organic compounds are known as vitamins. Generally, these vitamins are available in so many natural sources. Some vitamins are available different types of fruits. Some vitamins are available some green plants. Some vitamins are available in milk. Some vitamins are available in different types of living organisms. Finally, these vitamins are available in different types of natural sources. Okay, so that is a major source for vitamins. Okay, so what is the importance of vitamins? Generally, these vitamins are used to maintain the metallurgical system for human beings body, to maintain the regular metabolism system for human beings body. So this is the importance of vitamins for human beings body. To deficient some vitamins are reduced to create so many health problems. So okay, that is the importance of vitamins for human beings body. So these vitamins are divided in two categories. First one, fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. First one, fat soluble vitamins. What is the meaning of fat soluble vitamins? And second one is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. What is the meaning of fat soluble vitamins? These vitamins are completely soluble in fat. Such type of vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. That vitamins are, first one, vitamin A. Vitamin A, so the chemical term is retinol. Next, the chemical formula of retinol is C20H30O. This is the chemical formula for retinol. So this vitamin is completely soluble in fat. And second one is vitamin D. This vitamin chemical name is calciferol. So the chemical formula of calciferol is C28H44O. And next one, vitamin E. Vitamin E chemical term is tocopherol. So the chemical formula is C29H50O2. And next one, vitamin K, piloquinone. The chemical name is piloquinone. So chemical formula is C30H46O2. So these are the fat soluble vitamins. These vitamins are fat soluble vitamins. Next one, first I am going to discuss vitamin A. Vitamin A is, this is a fat soluble vitamin. This vitamin is completely soluble in fat. This vitamin chemical term name is vitamin retinol. Chemical formula is C20H30O. Okay. So this vitamin is available. This vitamin is available from green plants, milk, so such type of fruits. So the type of sources are generated this type of vitamin like A. Some persons, so vitamin A content is very low. Some persons containing, like just like human beings are observed, some persons are containing low quantity of vitamin A. That person suffered so many health problems. That health problems are night blindness. Means the vitamin A deficient persons are suffered in this disease like night blindness. Okay, so vitamin A deficient persons are suffer now, especially nowadays. So vitamin A deficient persons are suffered in this disease like night blindness. So that is the importance of vitamin A like retinol. And next one, calciferol. Most probably calciferol is known as vitamin D. Most probably the calciferol is a fat soluble vitamin. So almost this vitamin is available for sunlight radiation. Okay, so vitamin D is available from sunlight radiation. So many persons are deficient in this vitamin. So such type of persons are suffered weakness of bones. Okay, and to disturb the muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is disturbed. To disturb the muscle contraction. Okay. So, so many persons are suffered in this disease due to the deficiency of vitamin D. So, most probably this vitamin is available from sunlight radiation. Next one, tocopherol. Tocopherol. Students, this tocopherol, vitamin E, this is also fat soluble vitamin. This vitamin E is available only from green plants. Green plants. And a minute quantity of vitamin E is available milk, eggs, such type of things. So these things are generate vitamin E. Okay. And next one, the deficiency of vitamin E. The deficiency of vitamin E to create so many problems. That problems are skin diseases, majorly the deficiency of vitamin E, that persons are suffered skin diseases. So, and means skin disease means burning sensation of skin, burning sensation of skin, to create burning sensation of skin, and so many problems are affected, so many health problems are affected. So that health problems, this is also this deficiency creates to disturb the central nervous system, means a nervous system is a disorder. And next one, it is also effect for muscle contraction also. So many problems are created. And last one, for fat soluble vitamins, piloquinone. What is the meaning of piloquinone? Piloquinone is one of the fat soluble vitamin. This vitamin is known as vitamin K. This vitamin is known as vitamin K. Chemical formula is C30H46O2. Okay, this vitamin is available most probably green plants, eggs, milk, and fruits. So this is the vitamin K deficient persons are affected so many dangerous health problems. So blood coagulation is reduced. So blood coagulation is reduced. Blood coagulation is reduced. Okay. So the blood coagulation is reduced. The blood thickness is very less. So for example, to create the damage for human being's body, so many large quantity of blood is leaved out. So that person is easily converted to coma state. That is a major defect for suffered in this problem, means the deficiency of vitamin K. So the blood coagulation time is prolonged, means the blood coagulation process is reduced. The blood coagulation process is reduced, means the blood coagulation time is also improved. Automatically the blood coagulation process is reduced. Okay, so this is the explanation for fat soluble vitamins. And next one, water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are majorly B and C. So the vitamin B is subdivided into so many categories. For example, vitamin B1, it is known as thiamine. And next one, vitamin B2, riboflavin. Vitamin B3, nicotinic acid. nicotinic acid. Vitamin B5, pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Pyridoxine. So, vitamin B7, biotin. Vitamin B9, folic acid. B12, cyanocobalamine. Cyanocobalamine. And last one, vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. Okay, these are the water soluble vitamins. These are the water soluble vitamins. For example, vitamin B1, most probably vitamin B. These are available. Common sources are green plants. Common sources are green plants. And next one, milk, egg, and fruits. Some fruits. These are the common sources for water soluble vitamins. So, the deficiency of vitamin B1, that persons are affected beriberi disease. Beriberi disease. Next, vitamin B2, the deficiency of vitamin B2, that persons are affected swelling around the mouth for human being's body. So that vitamin deficient, that persons are affected to swell the mouth. So to swelling around the mouth for human being's body. Okay. Next one, vitamin B3. So the chemical name is nicotinic acid. So this deficient person, this vitamin deficient persons are affected to create this deficiency is creates to burning sensation of skin for human being's body. So that vitamin is deficient, that persons are suffered burning sensation of skin. And next one, the vitamin B5, the vitamin B5 chemical name is pentanoic acid. The deficiency of vitamin B5, that persons are affected for vomiting sensation. Vomiting sensation means the deficiency of vitamin B5, that persons are affected for vomiting sensation. Next one, vitamin B6. So the deficiency of vitamin B6, that persons are affected for diarrhea disease. This is one of the dangerous disease. Next one, vitamin B7. So vitamin B7 is known as biotin. So the deficiency of vitamin B7 to disturb the muscle contraction. To disturb the muscle contraction. Muscle contraction. And next one, vitamin B9. The chemical name is denoted as folic acid. So the deficiency of folic acid for human being body to create gastric problem. To create gastric problems for human being body. And next, the deficiency of vitamin B12 means cyanocobalamine. The chemical name is cyanocobalamine. So the deficiency of cyanocobalamine, that persons are affected. That persons are affected to disturb the nervous system. To disturb the nervous system. nervous system. Last one, ascorbic acid. This is also separate vitamin C. So this is very important vitamin C. So generally the vitamin C is available most probably lemon juice or citrus fruits. Okay. So the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. So this vitamin deficient persons are affected skin problems and the deficiency of vitamin C to create so many problems also, so including skin problems and also affected the strength of bones also. Okay, this is explanation for different types of vitamins. Okay, vitamins means it's a low molecular weight organic compounds. These are subdivided into two categories, fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are retinol, calciferol, tocopherol, piloquinol. Water soluble vitamins are thiamine, riboflavin, nicotinic acid, panthenol.